In this video, I will show you how you can install Smarter Pi menu mod for Sims 4. So let's see if you have a lot of choices here. For example, more choices. As you can see here, there is a lot of choices. With this mod, you can simply write it. So for example, funny, tell funny joke, right? As you can see here, I don't need to search for specific tabs. I can instantly do the thing, and I will show you how you can get it. First of all, open a browser, and then you just need to write Smarter Pi menu Sims. Go to CurseForge, then download the file. Wait for a couple of seconds, save it. Once you have on your desktop or in the downloads folder, right click on it, extract all, and then save it to desktop. Then you can basically delete zip file here. Then you need to open up File Explorer, Documents, Electronic Arts, Sims 4, mods. If you don't have mods folder, just create it and drag and drop the files here. Then what you need to do here is to simply launch the game. And let's wait. Then press escape, go to game options, other, make sure this option is selected. If it's not selected, select it and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here is to go to in-game. And then in-game, when I interact with somebody, I can write something here. And as you can see here, I instantly get the task. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.